Today, we're diving into a common but complicated issue. What happens when you need to break your lease early? Life is unpredictable, and sometimes moving out before your lease ends is unavoidable. But what does this mean for you financially and legally? Let's find out. First things first, check your lease. It is the starting point for understanding the potential costs of an early departure. According to Civil Code Section 1951.2, if you move out early, you might be responsible for unpaid rent until the lease ends or until your landlord finds a new tenant. Plus, there could be reasonable costs for re-renting the property. However, there's a catch. If you can show that your landlord didn't try to mitigate their damages, like not advertising the property or rejecting suitable tenants, the amount you owe could be reduced. Subletting could be your next consideration. It's when you rent out your place to someone else, essentially becoming a temporary landlord. But most leases have rules about subletting, often requiring landlord approval, which cannot be unreasonably withheld. Another key term to look for in your lease is an early termination fee. This is a set amount you'd pay to end your tenancy early, typically ranging from 1 to 3 months' rent. While it might seem steep, it could be less expensive than paying rent for an unoccupied unit until your lease is up. No early termination clause and can't sublet? It's negotiation time. The success of negotiating an early lease termination with your landlord will depend on several factors, including if you have potential replacement tenants ready. Remember, your reason for leaving early might also influence the outcome. In these situations, consulting with a tenant rights attorney can provide you with a strategy tailored to your circumstances. Our goal is to help you navigate these waters as smoothly as possible, minimizing your financial and legal risks. Breaking your lease early doesn't have to be a daunting ordeal. Knowing your lease, understanding your rights, and exploring all your options can make a huge difference. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated.